Question 5. The length of a rectangle is 5 centimeters longer than its width. If its perimeter is 42 centimeters, find its dimensions. So this word here, dimensions, that just means we are finding the length and the width of the rectangle. Okay, so we'll start by drawing a sketch of a rectangle. So say we have something like this, and we don't know what its length and width are yet. So if we call its width x centimeters, then we know its length is 5 centimeters longer than this. So its length then is going to be x plus 5. So that means this will be x and this will be x plus 5. And we know the perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. So the perimeter will be this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. And we know that is equal to 42 centimeters. So to write our equation then, we'll have x, so that's this part here, and then we add in x plus 5 plus x plus 5. So we have then plus x plus 5, and then we plus x, and then we plus x plus 5 again, and we know that is equal to 42 centimeters. So now we can simplify this. So let's look, how many x's have we got? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4x, and then we have, put some blue here, we have 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, so we have 4x plus 10 is equal to 42. And we want just that 4x by itself on the left hand side. So if we subtract 10 from both sides, well then that will get rid of the 10 from the left hand side. So we have then that 4x is equal to 42 minus 10. So 4x is equal to 32. So we've got 4 times x is equal to 32. So using inverse operations, the inverse of times is divide. So we'll divide both sides by 4, and then that'll cancel out the 4 on the left hand side here. So we need to divide both sides by 4 because we need to keep the equation balanced. So we have then that x is equal to 32 divided by 4, and 32 divided by 4 is 8. So x is equal to 8. So we know then that the width is going to be 8 centimeters, and we know the length, so that was this part here, that's x plus 5, so 8 plus 5 is 13. So the length is 8 plus 5, which equals 13 centimeters. So now we've got our dimensions, we've got our width is 8 centimeters, and the length is 13 centimeters.